Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. Friends, in my previous video I told and promised to get back to you with a new formula that can be used as or along with max formula or min formula in Microsoft Excel. So today we are going to find the specified smallest value in a cell range, and we are going to use the small function of Microsoft Excel. To learn this formula briefly, watch this video till the end. This is your host Pritham and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, as usual I'm going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously to save time. Let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a data file like this and you have to count the time. The smallest time should be considered as the fastest and it should be ranked as number 1. To get this, you can easily use the small function here. But look at here carefully. If you want to get the only number 1 or the lowest time in this range, you can easily use the minimum function or min function. But if you want the top 3 lowest time here, you can use the small function. To get the lowest number or the fastest time, you can use the main function here like this, equals to min. Open the first bracket, then select the cell range, then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. You will get the fastest time here. And to get the second smallest value, third smallest value, fourth smallest value, and so on from a set of data, you can easily use the small function. Look at here carefully friends, I am typing the formula. It will be like this, equals to small SMALL small, then open the first bracket, then it is asking for array. The array will be the range, the data range. You have to select the data range, put a comma here. Now which smallest value you want. If you want number 2 or the second smallest value, give the number 2 here, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is the second smallest time taken in the range here. As well as if you want to get the third smallest value, just simply type the formula like this, equals to SMALL small, then open the first bracket, select the cell range, put a comma here and just put 3 as the criteria, then close the bracket and simply hit the enter button. You will get the third smallest value in that cell range. So let's check how this formula actually works. The small function is fully automatic. You just need to supply a range and an integer for nth to specify the ranked value you want. The official names for these arguments are array as the cell range and k as the criteria. Note you can also use the min function to get the smallest value in the cell range. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you like this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends. and share your opinion in the comment box as well as your queries. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.